Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about one of your assignments. So, this is the resource summary paper. So, for this paper, you're going to be learning more about resources that will be helpful to you when you are going through the bachelor's program, when you're working on figuring out what classes you need to take. So, just to be successful and prepared so that you're ready for next steps. So, to do this paper, I'm going to ask you to find resources on the Child and Adolescent Family Studies Department website, which is linked here for you to reference. So, if you go to your Canvas page, click on Assignments, and then click on Resource Summary Paper, you'll get to where I am, and you can see the link to the website is right here. So, the best spot to go on the website is the student resources section. There's lots of good stuff in that area. There's lots of advising stuff that you can take advantage of, and there's lots of stuff about extracurricular kinds of opportunities that we offer. So, the point of this paper is to find 5 resources on our website. So, not things at the university level. So, you're not going on to the CSUSB website, you're going on to the CAFS department website and finding 5 links or 5 resources that are available on that website that you think would be helpful to you. So, when you do this paper, it's very simple. It's kind of a bullet point kind of paper. So you're going to write down what the link is and put the link so that I can click on it myself. And then you're going to give me a description of how that particular resource will be helpful to you. So make sure that you have 5. Make sure that you put the link to whichever resource you're referencing and also give a description for why that resource would be useful to you. Down at the bottom here, you can see what you're going to get points for. So there is a rubric that you can use. So you get full marks if you both have 5 resources, put the link for each resource, and tell why it would be important to you. If you don't pick something from the CAFS department website, if you don't give 5 resources, if you don't give the links, if you don't tell how those resources are helpful to you, you're not going to get full points. But overall, should be a pretty easy paper to navigate and to complete.